Well, hello, my joyful subbies. Welcome back to my channel. It is your girl, Joy Fuller, the chief crafter for the Joyful Designs brand, here to bring you Craftmas DIY number 11. So if you want to see what I've come up with, then keep watching. And as always, it's time to craft. Let's go. Let's go, guys. So we're going to take this shiplap sign, wall sign that you could purchase from the Dollar Tree, along with some of these poster letters that you can also purchase from the Dollar Tree. And we're going to spell out the words lost sock. This is a Pinterest inspired piece, and I have always wanted to make one ever since I first saw these. So I decided that this would be a great Craftmas DIY to give to someone. And so what I'm doing is taking some of the larger clothespins and I am spacing them horizontally at the bottom of the wall sign. And then you'll see me here just trying to get the placement right for the letters. And I can promise you it took a minute before I had an epiphany, but that's okay. It turned out to be okay. And so while I laugh at myself, I want to welcome all of you back to my channel. If this is your first time visiting my channel, welcome. I am Joy Fuller, the chief crafter for the Joyful Designs brand, which you heard in my intro. And I just want to encourage anyone that's watching my channel who has yet to subscribe, please make sure you click on that subscribe button and don't forget about the notification bell. That way YouTube will notify you when I upload anything to my channel. So now I'm just trying to pick away at some of the glue strings that were on top of some of the letters. And I am just really struggling to get this straight. And you'll see when the epiphany happened. And there you have it. I just realized, just move the letters down a row, and that way they'll fit. And that's exactly what I did. And I thought this was so cute, because everyone has had a sock missing. You can never have the mates in your socks, in the laundry, I mean. I'm like, I thought I put 2 in there, go to retrieve it, and it's not there. I'm like, oh my gosh, that freaking dryer ate my sock again. And so now you see where I just applied some of that Mod Podge to the wording, and now I am just dry brushing over some of the excess black paint to take away some of the starkness of the natural wood. And my daughter was sitting in my office chair, wanting to see what the project looked like. And guys, this is it. Is that not adorable? It's cute. And look at the little lonely sock. I thought that was cute. And I just styled it using some of the Christmas trees that I purchased from Michael's, along with the DIY, the Craftmas DIY from last night. But I thought this was really cute. Guys, if you enjoyed watching this DIY, please make sure you click on that subscribe button. And don't forget about the notification bell, guys. And until the next and final Craftmas DIY number 12, bye guys.